Introducing the 2026 Skoda Superb Sportline 2.0tdi 150 horsepower DSG. This sleek and powerful saloon is packed with features to make your drive as comfortable and convenient as possible. With only 25,000 kilometres on the clock, this black beauty is practically brand new. From ambient lighting to collision avoidance braking, this car has everything you need to feel safe and secure on the road. But that's not all. This vehicle undergoes a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit mullingarautos.ie for more information. Get behind the wheel of the Skoda Superb Sportline and experience true luxury and performance today.